Have you ever wondered why Trello, the popular project management tool, is so user-friendly? Is it because of its intuitive interface, or perhaps its powerful features? Well, there's another factor that often goes unnoticed: the language it uses. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the language behind Trello and explore how it contributes to the app's overall success. So, let's get started. Section 1. The basics of Trello's language. When we talk about the language of Trello, we're not referring to the languages it supports, like English, Spanish, or French. Instead, we're talking about the underlying language that powers the app. Trello is built using a programming language called JavaScript. JavaScript is a versatile language that's used to create dynamic and interactive web applications. It's the backbone of many popular websites and apps, including Trello. Why JavaScript for Trello? Here are a few reasons. Flexibility. JavaScript is highly flexible, allowing developers to create complex and customized features within Trello. Interactivity. It enables Trello to respond to user actions in real time, making it a more engaging and interactive experience. Cross-platform compatibility. JavaScript is compatible with various browsers and devices, ensuring that Trello works seamlessly on different platforms. Section 2. Trello's user interface and JavaScript. One of the most striking aspects of Trello is its clean and intuitive user interface. This interface is largely crafted using JavaScript. JavaScript allows developers to create dynamic elements like drag-and-drop functionality, color-coded labels, and real-time updates. These features make Trello easy to use and visually appealing. Additionally, JavaScript is used to handle user interactions, such as creating new boards, adding cards, and moving cards between lists. This ensures a smooth and responsive user experience. Section 3. Trello's features and JavaScript. Trello is packed with powerful features that help users manage their projects effectively. Many of these features are made possible by JavaScript. For example, Trello's Butler automation tool uses JavaScript to perform tasks based on predefined rules. This can include automatically adding cards to lists, changing due dates, or sending notifications. Similarly, Trello's Power UPS, which extend the functionality of the app, often rely on JavaScript. Whether it's integrating with a calendar app or adding a voting system, JavaScript provides the foundation for these enhancements. Section 4. The benefits of JavaScript for Trello. Why is JavaScript such a crucial component of Trello's success? Scalability. As Trello has grown in popularity, JavaScript has allowed it to scale seamlessly. It can handle a large number of users and data without compromising performance. Community and support. JavaScript has a vast and active community of developers. This means that there are plenty of resources and support available for Trello's development team. Continuous innovation. JavaScript is constantly evolving, with new features and improvements being introduced regularly. This allows Trello to stay at the forefront of project management technology. So there you have it. JavaScript is the language that powers Trello, making it the user-friendly and versatile tool that it is. From the intuitive interface to the powerful features, JavaScript plays a vital role in Trello's success. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. And until next time, happy Trello-ing.